So we're going to look at a few vocabulary words here, guys. Quite disgusting vocabulary words that are going to be useful to us in looking at Swift's poem, The Lady's Dressing Room. The first one is scatological. It's an adjective. The definition is something characterized by an interest in excrement, which is poop and pee. And excretion, the act of doing this itself. A related word to this is scatology, which is the abstract noun. We've got a scenario here where the word is used. The scatological fascination with his dog's excrement was disturbing. So I want you at this point to pause and have a go at the question. The next word is effluvia, which is an unpleasant or harmful odour or discharge, usually deriving from the body. So if you were to use this noun, which is a kind of plural noun, effluvia, more than one version of an effluvium, it would be effluvial. So the scenario is, the garment was soiled with effluvial stains. Have a go at question number 2. Transgression, the abstract noun, is an act that goes against a law, rule, or code of conduct. So some connected words would be a transgressor, which would be the person doing an act of transgression. A concrete noun, and then an adjective to describe something taking place like this would be transgressive. So a scenario would be, his cheating on the test was a transgression of the code of conduct. Have a go at question number 3. Word number 4 is repugnant, an adjective. It means something extremely distasteful, unpleasing, or disgusting. And the abstract noun form of this is repugnance. You would express repugnance by doing what this lady is in the image here. So the scenario is, he expressed his repugnance at the smell by screwing up his face. Have a go now at question 4. Word number 5 is guise, an external form or appearance of something. And a related noun is a disguise, where you use something that deliberately masks what you're really like in external form or appearance. So here's our scenario. He was dressed in the guise of an adult, but he was still a child inside. Have a go at question number 5. Dissemblance. The act of dissemblance is a noun. It's the act of pretending to do something one way or in one particular method when you are something else in actuality. So you pretend to be one way and actually you're something else. The image here is of the wolf in sheep's clothing, pretending to be the sheep, the innocent sheep, but actually being the aggressive wolf. So the verb of this is dissembling, and the different participle here is of dissemble. So his studious behaviour in class was an act of dissemblance, as he did nothing at home. So this would be describing someone who looks like they work really hard when they're in class, but then when they leave, they do nothing. Have a go at question number 6.